Why did Ronaldo cry in Euro 2024? Tears turned to triumph for Cristiano Ronaldo in Portugal's round of 16 Euro 2024 game against Slovenia. After the soccer star, 39, missed a penalty kick in the 114th minute with the score tied 0-0, Ronaldo held his head in his hands and got emotional as his teammates consoled him. Here are some sports stories and information about Portugal versus France. Portugal and France most recently played each other in the Euro 2024 quarterfinals on July 5, 2024, with Portugal winning after extra time. Portugal advanced to the quarterfinals after beating Slovenia in a penalty shootout, while France beat Belgium 1-0 thanks to a late goal from Randal Kolo Muani. The two teams also played each other in the Euro 2020 group stage, resulting in a 2-2 draw. Portugal won the last major tournament the two teams played in, the Euro 2016 final, after beating France 1-0 in Paris. Key players on Portugal's team in Euro 2024. Cristiano Ronaldo, team captain and the most famous player on the team. Bruno Fernandes, a midfielder for Manchester United and the true leader of the team. Bernardo Silva, a midfielder who scored a goal in Portugal's 3-0 win against Turkey. Pepe, a 41-year-old defender who has been picked for the team more for his experience than for his playing ability. Goncalo Ramos, a forward who scored a hat-trick against Switzerland in the round of 16 at the 2022 World Cup. Diogo Jota, a forward who is currently playing for Liverpool. João Felix, a forward who is currently playing for Barcelona. Rafael Leao, a forward who is currently playing for AC Milan. France's key players in Euro 2024 include Kylian Mbappe, forward, the second most expensive player of all time, PSG's all-time leading scorer, 5 goals in World Cup finals. Antoine Griezmann, forward, holds the record for most consecutive appearances in international football history. Ousmane Dembele, forward, PSG player. Bradley Barcola, forward, direct runner who destabilizes defenders. N'Golo Kante, midfielder, class player on the team. Aurelien Tchouameni, midfielder, Real Madrid player. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel Wonders of Life. Or, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos.